On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2019 Fuzion 424 by Keystone RV. With a 12.5-foot convertible garage space and an outdoor side patio, this fifth-wheel toy hauler is the perfect match for those who enjoy entertaining guests while traveling. This floor plan has room for everything and everyone. At the top of the stairs, to the right, is a dual-entry bathroom, giving you easy access from the master bedroom. There's a sink and mirrored medicine cabinet above, and with the skylight letting in plenty of natural light to illuminate the residential shower, it will be easy to stay clean even after a muddy day in the woods. Moving on into the private front bedroom, there is an offset queen bed surrounded by lots of storage cabinets, giving you extra floor space in front of the mirrored wardrobe closet along the adjacent wall. In the kitchen, there is a large side-by-side, 18 cubic foot refrigerator that will hold enough for any extended stay, and the matching stainless steel convection microwave and 3-burner range will heat up any leftovers quickly for a midnight snack. There's a unique wraparound countertop with an integrated double sink and high-rise faucet. And just past the cabinets above is a loft area for extra storage or sleeping space. Finally, moving into the convertible garage, you'll find the additional half bath in the corner closet. The Fuzion gives you a place to store your toys while you are traveling, and when you arrive, you can configure this space for your adventure any way you need. This unit delivers all the comforts of home for a luxurious getaway experience. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.